Let's see how to manage channels in Microsoft Teams. Once you're in your Microsoft Teams app, in the left sidebar, locate the Teams tab, select it, and then choose the team where you want to manage the channels. To manage an existing channel, click the More options or three dots next to the channel name, and here you can choose to edit the channel notifications, where you can turn off or only show and feed the posts. You can also edit the channel mentions, which will notify you every time the channel is mentioned. You can turn it off, or you can edit it to banner and feed or only show in feed. And once you did some changes, just click save. Aside from that, you can also hide the channel if you want to. You can manage the channel by editing its name or changing the permissions for the channel. You can also get linked to the channel. And if you want to keep things more organized, you can pin important channels by clicking the three dots in the top right and selecting pin. This keeps your most used channels at the top of this list for easy access. And that's how to manage channels in Microsoft Teams. See you soon!